Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is sponsored by the perfume company Dossier. They are not just perfume, they have luxury for everyone and every room. Here I am unboxing one of their beautiful perfume scented candles. Yes, that's right. Perfume scented candles. It says love at first match. Do not forget Mother's Day is coming up and these would make a wonderful gift. There is free shipping for 3 or more products, crafted in France, vegan and cruelty free, and they do offer free returns. The link is down below, dossier.com, or click the link below. They have coupon codes, 20% off. I will have codes in the links for you guys down below. Don't let self-expression stop at just you. They have a scent to match every vibe, every mood, and every room. They also have a VIP program. You will see that this scent is floral marshmallow, and it is the perfume scent to love. Don't be shy. If you love that perfume, you will love this candle. The candles do smell up my entire living room, so you guys do not sleep on it. They also can show you on their page how to mix and match scents. So if you're a person that likes to wear 3 or 4 different perfumes at a time, they also will show you suggestions on their page to let you know what goes with what 2 perfumes can go together, what 3 perfumes can go together. They have Baccarat Rouge, YSL, Victor and Rolf's, Joe Malone. Like I said, Killian's Don't Be Shy. This perfume is inspired by Angel. And this is an older perfume, the one that I received. I have not tried this one yet. They have inspired by Gucci, Creed, Carolina Herrera. They even have Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel, Dior, Tom Ford, and more. So once again, you guys, there are coupon codes. There are deals if you buy 2 or 3 or more perfumes or candles. There is a VIP program as well. All right, guys, I received some Lancome foundation. You guys know this is one of my favorite foundations. This is the Tint Idol Ultra Wear. If you have oily skin, you are definitely going to love this foundation. It has up to 24-hour wear, foundation, breathable coverage. Now, I got 435C, which is, it doesn't tell, but it's 435C. I was going to try to get y'all the number of it. So let's get into the foundation. This is what it looks like. It doesn't, oh, I love that they did that. It expires 08 of 2024. So once I open this, I have until 08 of 2024 to wear this. This is one of those foundations that I would wear if I'm definitely going out in the heat, going out in the sun, going out to a festival, going out to a show that's outside, or if you think you're going to be sweating. I do love this foundation. If I have links, if they sent links, they will be put down below, but you can find this at Sephora and of course at Lancome.com. All right, so let's check it out. Let's see if this is my color. I've already put some primer on my face. See if this is my color. I hope I chose the right color because I love this foundation. It's a little bit, I can make it work though, a little bit lighter than what I like. I could have went up one more shade, but it's really like, you can't even tell I have it on. So it's really not bad. Like once I put a powder over this, I'll definitely be good. Like, look at that. Look from this side to that side. So I am happy with this color because I didn't go too light. Normally when I do these promos and I get foundation, I went way too light and I just cannot make it work. But this one, you can't even tell I have it on, y'all. You cannot even tell I have it on. So I'm definitely happy with this one. I would have went one more shade darker, but that's okay. That's okay because I love this foundation and I really want to wear this foundation. I love it. If you have not tried it, go into Sephora and get a sample. Go to Lancome and get a sample. It is a beautiful, wonderful foundation that does last all day if you have oily skin. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face because I have to head out for today. Just wanted to come show you guys that. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, so here I am spraying on my Dossier perfume. We need to make sure that we're smelling good and lovely and that everyone can smell us from a miles away. Don't forget to click the link in the subscription bar if you want to smell good for a fraction of the price. I need to start saying ladies. One of the ladies from our ladies group planned this trip to Miami, which is not far from me, faster on the Brightline than it is driving. There is the train. You can see it there. There's one leaving, and the one that's waiting there is probably waiting for me. These trains go very fast and are getting ready to go to Orlando. So once the train starts to go to Orlando, we are going to plan another trip. So let's get on the elevator and get to the station. Once again, before we get on, that is one of the trains leaving there, and that is the other one that's probably waiting for me. So I'm just showing y'all a bird's eye view, and then I'm going to get on the elevator and go inside. So just bear with me. That's the downstairs that I have to walk to from the elevator to get to the station. Okay, I have went through security check. They've checked my bags and checked me, and I'm going over to the waiting area. That's for my train card. So there are 5 train cars, and based on where you're seated, I'm in card 5. They send you to a waiting area. So they have 5 waiting rooms, and there is a premium waiting room in here, but I am not sure if there are 5 premium waiting rooms. Premier, premium, whatever they call it. I don't even know what you need to do to get in premium. This ain't no darn airport. You ain't waiting long for the darn train, okay? But I don't know. People could have a layover. Maybe your drinks and stuff is included over there. I'm showing y'all the outside. On the I think I'm on the 3rd or 4th floor. There it is, premium lounge. I'm trying to get the camera over there so y'all could tell me what y'all see, because I couldn't see, honey. But they make sure they got these little bushes there so we can't see what's going on over in the premium lounge, baby. But I'm going to swing around and let y'all see the lounge that I'm sitting in, and then let you guys see what I wore today. Okay, so I'm going to swing it and get the camera right here and show you guys some people sitting in the area. It is a pretty big, nice, decent lounge. Even though I'm not in premium, this area is still nice and big and decent. You see some people sitting over there. A lot of seats, not jam-packed at all. The outside window, once again, it is not busy. It is not jam-packed. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. And here I am. I did the Lancome foundation, just a simple look with powder because I knew we would be outside and in the heat. Here is the shirt I have on and the Nike tennis shoes with the checkered check to match. Okay. I got my hoops on. Y'all know how I hoops. That's how I do. Got my jewelry on. I'm going to Miami, but I'm from here, so I'm not skeptical about wearing jewelry down there. This is my Marc Jacobs bag. I did go for a smaller bag because there are a lot of homeless people in Miami, okay, walking around and walking up to you. So I'm just going to sit here and chill and wait for the girls to come. There are 6 of us, and I will let you guys see once we get off the train. Okay, we are off the train. I do have some pictures of us on the train towards the end. This is called a circuit bus. Never heard of it, but it takes you to where you need to go from the train station for free. And it only takes you to your designated location. So one of the girls is just chatting with the driver and finding out, is there a way for us to catch the circuit back to the station, and what all they do and what all do they provide. So the driver is just explaining to us what they can do, where they can go, and what kind of services this circuit van or bus does provide. I was trying to let y'all see a little bit out the window and stuff in Miami, but you couldn't see.
To your location, from your location back to Brightline. Oh, nowhere in between. Gotcha. Oh, okay, that's good to know. That is good to know. Yeah, because I use them a lot.
So that was a lady telling us that where it goes to, where it takes us from. There's screen over the window so you can't see outside. Alright guys, and here are some pictures of us on the train. We didn't do any videos on the train. I didn't want to seem weird recording. None of these girls know that I have a YouTube channel as of yet. But we did take a lot of pictures, so I just wanted to come and show you guys. And then the next one is pictures of us at Red Rooster. Excuse the bottom of my screen. I'm trying to show y'all the lives. We're at Red Rooster, which is the restaurant. I think it was first established like in Harlem somewhere. They were talking about New York. This is a black celebrity owned restaurant or celebrity chef restaurant. So if you've been there, let me know. Okay, and this is just a clip from my nephew's birthday celebration. His birthday is the day after mine. You see my sister there. My birthday is April 9th. His is April 10th. And there is my little chocolate drop glam baby number 5. Let's see if we can get her to turn around and show y'all some gums. Bam! There she go. There she go. She thought she was going to get some alcohol. But no, you're not getting that drink, little girl. Sit down somewhere. Voodoo Bayou is a restaurant that tried to charge us $25 to bring in his birthday cake. He was not happy about that. You can see the look on his face. We could not bring his cake in. Why would you charge $25 for someone to bring in a birthday cake? Oh, and you know, I did the surveys. I went on Facebook and I went on Twitter and I messaged them. Unacceptable. Just say no outside cakes. But to actually try to charge $25 for us to bring his cake in is freaking ridiculous. The food was 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10, but I will not be back there anytime soon.